If you've never attempted to construct garden furniture before, it's best to begin with simple projects requiring no special knowledge or equipment. For example, using fresh paint or pallets to repair or replace an old component shouldn't be difficult. So tell me, what keeps you waiting? Recycling items like wood, pallets, and mirrors are also fantastic methods to reduce waste and save money. Rather than discarding them, you may save more money and reduce waste by putting leftover paint, wood, and trim to good use. Here are 10 suggestions for outdoor furniture that you can quickly assemble yourself. As always, SimpHome assembles the countdown. Number 10. A DIY wooden pallet seating. Create a soothing outdoor seating area with this wood pallet transformation plan. Building a basic outdoor chair like this one is a breeze. You just need to collect 4 pallets of almost identical dimensions. We all know these are pallets made from discarded wood, so you must first remove any rough spots, wood chips, protruding staples, or nails. Put the 3 pallets in a stack and then use a drill and screws to construct a stable base. Then, with the drill and screws, affix the back of the chair to the 4th pallet, which you'll have propped up vertically. You can add some color to your pallet seats to finish it off, or paint them a natural wood color to achieve a look similar to the one shown. Finally, finish making it homey by adding throw pillows and blankets. Number 9. A pallet coffee table idea. To pull off this plan, you don't need to become a master craftsman. For this straightforward project, you only require some old wooden pallets and some stacking skills. With the addition of some floor cushions or a low seat such as the one seen above, this picnic table is excellent for grassy places. You could use 2 wooden pallets to raise the height of this coffee table when necessary. Then screw the 2 pallets together on all 4 sides. To make the coffee table easier to move, add wheels underneath. You just need to attach wheels to every corner of the table. This investment is justified because it facilitates faster table relocation. Number 8. Craft your wooden L-shaped couches or corner seating. Making your own outdoor furniture from salvaged wood is a great way to save money and get what you want to complement your garden's size and design. This project is not a job for amateurs, so ensure you have experience completing several past woodworking projects. In a small garden, rearranging the furniture in a corner like this makes the most efficient use of the space and produces a great conversation area with a coffee table. Number 7. Vibrant gardening crates idea. Repurpose old wooden crates by transforming them into compact wall shelves for use on the patio or in the potting shed. Fill the boxes with bright paint. When finishing exterior wood, it's essential to use weather-resistant paints and seal them with polyurethane. Crates can be fastened to the wall using inverted wooden battens, so if heavy objects need to be stored within, you can fit wall brackets. Miniature groups of smaller crates like the ones shown look fantastic on the wall and are perfect for displaying pots and other garden accessories. Alternatively, you could use a huge wooden vine crate to create a more substantial arrangement and secure it to a wall bracket for further support. Number 6. Make use of reclaimed wood. Create plant and garden decor displays to liven up dull exterior walls. You will pop your exterior walls with creative garden paint ideas, including bright, eye-catching hues. Use colorful brown or dark green furnishings and plants to perk it up. After you build your wall display, you can arrange scaffolding plank shelves of varying heights and fill the area with plants housed in varying sizes. Related to the particular topic, we have for you here 10 small garden transformations and planter updates. Check the resource and you access new opportunities to turn even a little garden into a fun place for the whole family to spend time together. It includes viable options to acquire new vegetable beds, flower pots made from recycled materials, and other architectural outdoor additions without a huge investment. Number 5. A DIY garden bar idea. Pick a garden bar that won't break the bank by using old potted seats to create a unique outdoor seating area. Below, you'll find plenty of space for bottles and glasses, and a row of drawers will keep your mocktail-making tools and ingredients organized and within easy reach. Produce a tropical atmosphere at your bar by painting the exterior with bright, happy colors. Try tiling or lining the counter with stainless steel sheets for a clean and functional area to prepare ingredients and garnishes for your fresh mocktails and fruity juices. Number 4. A do-it-yourself antique garden stepladder. Repurposing a wooden outdoor stairway to become a showcase of rotten wooden steps is so last year. Alternatively, make rustic shelves out of leftover scaffolding planks to show off your garden's blooms and style. Quickly washing and sanding your ladder will eliminate any trash and rough spots. Then screw the ladder and build shelves using planks of varying heights and widths. Keep the wood in its raw state for an aged and rustic appearance. Number 3. A garden mirror project idea. Adding a garden mirror is a quick and easy approach to expanding the visual appeal of a limited outdoor living area. When placed strategically around the garden, mirrors can double the amount of natural light that enters the space and provide a sense of openness. Get a simple frameless mirror and a piece of trellis to make your window mirror. Use a small handsaw to cut the trellis to the appropriate dimensions. The next step is to paint the trellis with exterior paint using a tiny brush or roller. After the glue is dried, you may secure the trellis to the mirror. When dry, attach to an outside wall. Number 2. A new garden idea from an old drawer. Use the unique drawers to fashion vibrant wooden planters, giving a second life to an old chest of drawers you can't bear to part with. You can build a cute display out of skinny drawers by installing them on brackets or using old table mats, chairs, or luggage stands as planters. Get some outside paint and add some cheery colors to your drawers. Drill a few holes in the bottom for plant drainage before you paint, and use plastic membranes to prevent the wood in the drawers from drying out and cracking. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, a DIY garden floor lamp idea. If your garden doesn't already have a light source, using rustic wooden posts to install outdoor decorative lighting is a simple method to add some. To begin, gather a group of solid wooden poles to suspend the lamp. You'll need some terracotta planters and quick-drying cement to keep the logs in place. Once the cement has been set, you can paint the log's base so it fits inside the container. The light can then be hung from the ceiling using the attached hooks. In conclusion, with meticulous planning and research, your new project won't break the bank. Give one of the ideas a try, and we hope you get the finest improvements that you've always dreamed of. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon!